The health benefits and uses of Serpentina. 1. The Serpentina plant is also known as the king of bitter herbs and has been used to make herbal medicine for thousands of years. 2. This is native to Sri Lanka and India, but is now grown in different parts of the world with warm climates. 3. The leaves of the plant are used to counteract many diseases and ailments in the human body. 4. One of the most powerful uses for this herb in traditional medicine is to help lower blood sugars for those who suffer with diabetes or insulin resistance. 5. This was used in Ayurveda, the ancient form of Indian medicine, to treat kidney disease by detoxifying these internal organs. 6. The leaves could be eaten or steeped in hot water to make Serpentina leaf tea. This herbal tea is often used for its antibiotic properties to treat cold, flu, allergies or fever. 7. 6 small leaves should be eaten 3 times per day to use this in its raw form. They can be added to a salad if you wish. This should not be consumed for more than 2 to 3 months. 8. Japanese researchers found that natural active compounds within the leaves helps to prevent the multiplication of cancerous cells. 9. In China, the leaves are used to prevent the formation of blood clots as the leaves help to improve blood flow. 10. Serpentina is a natural blood thinner, therefore should not be used for those who are taking aspirin or other blood thinning medications. 11. The leaves also help to treat digestive problems such as diarrhea, dysentery or indigestion. 12. They have a chloritic effect which increases the flow of bile in the stomach. This breaks down fat and proteins and allows your body to absorb more nutrients. 13. They also stimulate the immune system of the body, causing it to heal faster for all kinds of internal problems, even improving the health of the skin. 14. An early study conducted in 1911 showed that pure bitter extract can be taken from this herb and works to protect the liver against damage. 15. Those who suffer with an autoimmune disease such as multiple sclerosis, lupus or rheumatoid arthritis should avoid taking this herb as it stimulates the immune system. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.